Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by mapping proportions so the figure feels believable. Draw a vertical center line and a light horizontal eye line. These anchor balance and direction. Next, create a single flowing gesture line for the spine to capture motion. This tells you how weight shifts. Then block in simple shapes: an oval for the head, an egg for the ribcage, a box for the pelvis. These give volume and make later anatomy easier to place, so proportion errors are caught early. Once the basic blocks are set, refine anatomy by mapping key landmarks. Draw a shoulder line and clavicles so the torso reads rotation, then place small circles at shoulders, elbows, hips, and knees to guide limb movement. Build arms and legs from tapered cylinders. This helps you visualize volume and avoid flat limbs. Lightly suggest major muscle masses without over-rendering, and block hands and feet as paddles or wedges to lock pose and perspective before to finish, trace cleaner contour lines over your construction, choosing confident strokes and erasing guidelines gently so the drawing stays clear. Add facial features, hair, and clothing folds, making sure these details follow the volume and direction you established. This keeps the figure cohesive. If something looks off, don't redraw from scratch. Nudge head, ribcage, or pelvis by about 5 to 10% and remeasure key landmarks. This small tweak usually fixes proportion issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.